Hello guys, it's me again, Mom Shawie vlog with Betsy. So we're going to have series of unboxing guys. So guys, flexing to you this incredible, this magnificent items I have purchased. So guys, hello Betsy. Okay guys, flexing to you our newest professional universal wireless microphone. So guys, before I have already purchased a wireless microphone, but what I love in this item because I just ordered one. So this item guys is dot and lots of freebies guys. This is the microphone protector. I think it's 3. We have here 3. Freebies to lahat, guys. So, freebies yan lahat. And then, oh yeah. Microphone protector, red, blocked, and, okay. It's just 2, guys. 3. 2, 3. So, 2 for this, for block, and then red 1. And then with, what do you call this guys? I don't know. It's just put it here. Yeah, that's it. So we have here 3 sets of this one. And then another 2 sets for this. Here. 2 sets. Yeah, then this one. So with the backs, we also have here the adapter, the connector. What do you call this one? So you just simply put it on current, or you just simply charge it. Charge at the same time. This one. So you're going to charge this one. And then look on guys, the microphone. It's so classy. Then what I love, as what we have said, what I love here is that you just simply charge this one, guys. No need on buying batteries, double batteries, or triple batteries. All you have to do is just simply plug in. So just plug in here. Just plug it here. And then use the adapter, and then simply charge it, plug it. You can also use this even if you are charging, guys. So as if it's a phone, so you can use it you can use it while charging. So as what we've said, I love this one because I will not spending lots of money buying bulks of batteries. So just simply charge it as your computer, as your mobile or your phone, and then you can use it because you're not worrying on spending money for your battery. So flexing to you, my guys, my other partner. So partner in the concert. Charot! So even I'm not a celebrity, I am just an aspirant singer, aspirant performer. Charot! I am just a simple blogger with a simple beauty. So guys, again, flexing to you my newest wireless professional universal wireless microphone. So go na mga ate. It's because you are not spending lots of money for batteries. So again, shout out to the seller of this one.